2018 has been a big year for Drone and Phone. We've had quite a lot of growth, eh?
Yeah, busy.
So in this last episode, we want to give you a quick roundup of our favourite events. Jack, for you, what has been the highlight of 2008? Stop looking.
Oh, I have to recall that. It's so much. Last year, well, this passing year, we have done 16 races reports across this whole region, Asia Pacific. We went to Mongolia, we went to mainland China, Hong Kong, of course, a lot, Canada. So many races, and Antarctica.
I was so mad about that because we had the request to go to Antarctica, and before I had a chance to even answer the request, Jack had already said, "Yep, I'll go."
Yeah, you told me Antigua, but yeah, a little bit cooler though.
That was a great race, and for the actual main series, we've had a really good year as well. We started with finishing the long hikes, the long trails, Maclehose, which we finally got done at the very beginning of the year. And then went on to the Philippines. We had a fantastic series in there, one of our most popular so far. Thank everyone who's sent their comments in, and we have several videos that are way up there in the numbers. And then of course in the summer, the youth series.
Yes, the youngsters, they really refresh and the trail. Along the rivers and all that was amazing,
And we learned something very important, that if you plan to shoot in Hong Kong in the summer, you have got to have a lot of dates, right?
Yeah.
Because you had to keep cancelling and postponing.
Typhoon, rain, all kinds of weather.
And then the recommended walks, of course. Thank you so much for all your comments for that. We had 2 series of recommended walks, and now we're just finishing the recommended short walks, of course. We'll be doing a lot more of that come 2019. We'll also be doing some more things like the toughest walk. That was, for me, one of the highlights. I really enjoyed taking on those 5 hikes and just kind of showing Jack, how to...
As long as it's not so with the stairs.
So what's in store for 2019, Jack?
Yeah, as usual, we're gonna cover as many races as possible. Tell us where you go, Hong Kong runners especially. We're gonna follow you, and no matter where.
And run at some other places as well. We're not Hong Kong exclusive.
Yeah.
We've also got lots of new series planned, some new surprises. We're going to try and mix things up, and a brand new brand look for Drone and Phone will be coming to you in January. Thanks for supporting us, and as always, if you like this page,
you have to like our show on facebook.com/droneandphone.
And on our YouTube channel, YouTube/droneandphone.com, and our website, droneandphone.com. Have a look at our interactive map as well. It's really starting to fill up, and we're hoping to really kind of finish that off in 2019 and then start improving the ones that we did earlier on. So have a great 2019.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.